Good morning, dear viewer. Let's have a short look at the markets. Let's start with what is the hot topic at the moment is this BTC dominance. And let's start on the weekly chart. The reason why we are getting this dump is this low here. It's my opinion. Yeah, that's resistance. I expect at least a retest of this trend line here. So something like this, and then potentially up again. So some short-lived relief for the alts, unless we get behind this trend line, test it from the bottom. It needs to stay the indicator. It's not. It's an index. It's not a price chart. Stays underneath and then dumps again. But at the moment, it just looks like a impulse, correction, impulse scenario. Let's have a look at BTC. The what is it? What did I put here? The macro trend, my opinion, has not been broken, the downtrend. Yeah. So like I said, for me, in order to be bullish and look to new all-time highs, we need to go above 37,000 and stay there for a while. Yeah, potentially even break this high here. Then I would look for a correction and then up till the all-time highs. Until we break this high, I don't think this is for me, this is nothing else than a rally, a strong rally. We need to come up here and stay above these levels and then break this high at least. So then that would mean we have a1, a2, a3, a4, and a 5. Then correction, we can buy and go up. That's how I would see the bullish scenario. Yeah. At the moment, we have yes, we've broken those highs again. Nothing really unexpected. I was hoping that we get a dip before we go up again to take out this liquidity, but the chart did not follow this idea. We had a pump, and now we are consolidating probably for some more upside, I would guess. Yeah. So where I would look for confluence is I would draw a simple line here for these highs to here, and to me, we should finish somewhere around 33,700. So the way I see it is we float up again. This will be our resistance, and then we'll see. If this is just, we could see what would be, still we could see what would be an ending diagonal, like so. So that would be our wave. This would be 1, then a 2, then a 3, then a 4, then a 5, and then down. Then if we don't break this high up there, this one here, then I would think this is just, what is it called? Just a correction. And that would be our wave A. That would be our wave B. And then we would have a wave C. So then it would look like so. A, B, C. To maybe 49, roughly 1,000. Let's see how it would look like on the bigger chart. Where's our 50? 50 is at 42,000. Let's have a look at our 618. And now I need to go to a more simple setup. Perfect. 618, the golden pocket. Yeah. So that would mean if we don't break this high, for me this is just a correction still. Yeah, and we could go as high as 50,000 and then a big rejection from there. But bullish scenario still in play. Yeah. So we could break this this trend line, this upper trend line. We could float up almost directly. We could float almost directly up, consolidate above 37,000. Hopefully, even maybe break this high here, and then come down up for a big leg. Okie dokes, ETH, no change here, although, sorry, there is change here. If this is a leading diagonal, just clean it up a little bit, very similar pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, correction, up. This could coincide, this one here, could coincide with this here. So if we float up to here and then reject, this would be very close to this. And then we would have a bounce on ETH to around 3,000, I would guess. So 1, 2, 3, yeah, exactly, 3,000, which is around about 50% retracement of our wave down. And then if this is a double zigzag, so where is it? A, B, C, A, sorry, A, B, C, A, B, C. I did it. Oh, come on. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Yeah, not to 0, of course, but yeah, you get the point. It would need to break these lows at 900. Bullish scenario would be for ETH is we get a bigger leg up here. So this is our 1. Here is our 1. Then we get a retrace. Then we get a pump. Sorry, maybe like so. Oh, come on. My drawing skills are bad today. Here, then to here, consolidate, up to take out this high here, and a correction, and then up for an all-time high, I would guess. That's how I see it at the moment. For BTC and ETH, maybe some selected alts. Maybe take a look at Solana. For me, I started off with a scenario where, and I have to go to the weekly chart. Take this out. I started off with a scenario where this would bounce here. Here and go to at least 30. Yeah, that's an ABC scenario. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll see if this goes any higher. If so, I would really want to see it break these highs here. Yeah, so for this to be a full impulse, 1, 2, 3, probably consolidate 5, 4 and 5, and then come down to here, up for at least a second leg. And the second leg, let's see, could take us to 382, for example, yeah, to around about $100. So let's see, it needs to break this high. That's a bit too far. So it would need to go much higher, like maybe to 67, and then maybe we consolidate somewhere here, and then we go to 100. Yeah, that would look good. That would look perfect for a bigger correction. So still in a massive downtrend. Yeah, you can see. To beat the downtrend, we need to go above, oh, come on. We need to go above 104. So this is where I would expect massive, massive resistance. Yeah? So I will be looking for this. If we get an impulse here, taking out these highs, then the correction, I buy the correction and then wait for round about 100. That would give us a return of roughly 3 to 1, right? Or maybe slightly lower. Maybe we just correct to around about 42, but that's still 150%. Not bad. What else? APT. APT. You can check my Twitter. Yeah, I gave the entry here on this level. I was thinking we maybe correct from here and maybe even take out the lows. Yeah. We did get a correction. We could be getting what is called a test of the formation. Yeah, so we got a strong downward formation. Now we will see. Yeah, if this move on BTC yesterday was not fake, it could still be fake in the sense that this news was exactly to initiate exit liquidity. Yeah? So if this move was not fake, then we should get a retracement from here. It's already up quite significantly, so this is a big short squeeze. Okay, it's exactly at the point where I would expect a rejection if we are supposed to go down. Maybe a pump to $8 tops. Yeah. So if it's about to reject, then it's from here. Then I would expect a new low probably. But we'll see. Yeah. So 50% up on this move. I think from here to around about here is 50%. Now we are getting a short squeeze for sure, maybe even an initiation of an impulse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correction up. But to be really bullish, it needs to go somewhere here, at least. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get a correction, then we can expect a new impulse buying somewhere here. Around about $10 to $9, I would say. Okay, that's my outlook for today. That's some crazy scribbling here. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much. Have a very good day. So long. Bye-bye.